action.
Hey girls, didn't you like the activities we did today? What was your favorite one?
My favorite was roasting marshmallows.
And yours?
My favorite was making the necklaces.
What was your favorite?
My favorite was the trail mix. It was so yummy.
Ladies, playtime!
Come on, unzip the zipper. I'm gonna get you. Ow! Bella, are you okay? No, I think I'm bleeding.
First, we check to make sure there's nothing around her that could hurt her more. I don't see anything.
Me neither. Next, we call. Miss Amy,
Yes, sweetie.
Bella tripped and fell and she got hurt.
Oh no, hold on. I have a first aid kit. Take me to where she's at. Hi, sweetie. Oh, you're bleeding, honey. Don't worry. It's okay. Remain calm. Are you okay? Mama's here. Don't worry. It hurts a lot? Okay, hold on. Be careful, sweetie. First, we put our glove on. We wipe the wounds softly. Okay. Don't worry, Mama. Look away. We apply some Bactine for the area. Keep it clean. And then we wrap it up. Turn up just a little bit. Good job. Okay, you alright? Girls, you did a great job. Thank you.
The right care for the person who has gotten hurt or is sick.
Guys, can you help me out? Thanks. So that's how we do it the proper way. First, check. Chair. Thank you.